Take you along today, show you what you can get in LA after the fires, because prices have gone up. The properties are very scarce. What there is, there's very slim pickings, and if there's anything good, it's gone. Oh, let's see that. It's already gone. It's got at least going. So I don't know how these people are jumping in first or who they know, because even before it hits Zillow or MLS, it snapped up. Someone's got an inn, and I'd love to know the inn because we would love to get a place and settled. Let's start with the first house. Let me just show you where we are. It's very Venice vibes. Very Californication. Viewing a place in Venice, right on the beach, right there. You can see it. Oh, sorry, right on the beach, right there. It's that direction. Let's go in. Let's have a look.
They are still deciding, but this is one you didn't see.
This is one bedroom. It's cool. There is a little musty smell though. It's done in a very cool way. Still kind of old. I'm just wondering about spiders. It's very dark.
Yeah, the husband's here too.
It's a shared space in the back. Worry that to keep the gate open, Tonka's going to go down the street. Back entrance. Yeah, it is dark, but it is cool. I like the kitchen. I like the open space. I've went to other places in the last few weeks. I'll try and put it all together in this video. You can see what is out there and what we're going through. This is another house down in Playa Del Rey. This is 8,250. But look, you got your garden, you got the deck, and you have the view of the ocean. Stunning. Dining area. In the kitchen. So when you're cooking, look at the ocean. Come back here. This is the bathroom, the main bathroom. Dual sinks, big shower. First bedroom, small on the side, pretty dark. Second bedroom, big wardrobe. Again, pretty dark. Why is it so dark? The rooms are very dark. And third bedroom. Wardrobe. And the garden. This is Tonka's space. With a lemon tree. That's it. That's the house. To an office, bathroom, but it's kind of an odd space with no windows. On the way to the gym, went to reception at the hotel that we're staying at and received my bag from Calpac. My Luca large duffel burned in the fire. I reached out to them and they sent me another one and replaced it for me. What a kind gift. It's so hard, it's all the stuff that burned, but especially the stuff that I never got to use. I saved a lot of stuff thinking, right, for a rainy day or for a special occasion. Don't do it. Just live every day as if it's your last, because truly it could be gone tomorrow. Lesson learned. This is a large duffel for travel, or in my case, a gym bag. I have so much gym equipment, pads for the hip thrusts, my nunchucks, some water bottles. And now that I have Tonka coming to the gym with me every day, I have to carry his blanket and his water bottle and his bone. This is perfect. This is just huge. It's huge. And it's so light. I'm just happy right now. Well, I'm not happy about it, but like we're in a place for a few weeks. We're in the AKA in Beverly Hills. Okay, let's go home. And it's just nice not to be shuffling around with bags. We keep losing stuff. We're losing our heads right now. We're not thinking right. I think it's the stress. It's just nice to stop for a minute.
Oh my God.
Everybody wants to see Tonka, so there you go. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Right in the chops. Thank you, babe. Such a baby. just starting again from scratch. I don't even have a laptop. You know the reason I'm so late on these vlogs? Because I'm doing everything on an iPad. But we're good. At least I have an iPad. Monumental moment. Just bought a new MacBook Pro. Mine burned it in the fire. So I am so happy because I've been editing all these videos and you probably think they're very amateur. And it's because I've been doing it on an iPad. Thankfully, we're going to upgrade our vlogs. You'll be happy to hear and see the new versions coming soon. I want to talk. I want to talk. I want to talk, but Tonka's found his Red Bull, so it's going to be an eventful night. But let's do a unboxing. The biggest storage, the largest screen, and the best MacBook Pro I could get. I am beyond excited. It cost $4,000, this computer. I remember when computers were $1,000. That's how old I am. By the way, these are really heavy. When I go to Spain, they charge you by the kilo for the hand luggage.
Really?
When you go to Europe, yeah. Feel how heavy that is.
Oh, fuck, yeah.
Isn't that crazy? I don't know why, but the new MacBooks are really heavy. And when you go to Europe, they charge you by the hand luggage. So this could be a problem. In America, it's fine. They don't charge you by hand luggage. Yes, did you hear that? How beautiful. I was going to go for the black. And then the black's kind of bluey black. And I like the whiteness of the silver, so again, I went for silver. It's like 5 silvers in a row. I'm getting to work to make this vlog go up, so see you later. LA's still gorgeous and beautiful, but there's just a lot of people that are broken-hearted. But anyway, I'm going to get to these houses. We're looking for a house because we have Tonkaville. We would love something, again, by the ocean. And I don't want to be in West Hollywood, and Hollywood is just not my scene. Do you know how hard it is to do a rental when you have an £80 pitty mix? As soon as I say he's a pit mix, even though he's 80%, I think he's 70, no, he's 80% American staff when they did the DNA test, and a slight bit of pit and some chow. But as soon as you say pit mix, it's like 50% not interested. It's an absolute sweetheart. I mean, look at my phone cover. This is how scary my pity is. He's taken a lot of your hearts away. I mean, you all mentioned Tonka a lot in the comments, and he appreciates it. I appreciate it. He is the best. We're very fortunate to have him, and there's no way I wouldn't dare not go through this without him. If we can't get the great house because we've got him, then that house wasn't meant for us because we're a team. We're not going to abandon him at this time. Don't worry about it. Let's have a look. The property prices were definitely higher, and some places did have a bit of a catfish thing going on. Photos looking immaculate, and then you just see paint jobs over cracks. Wardrobe. Cockroach. Ugh. Why didn't they pick the cockroaches up? It's just so weird to like show a house with a cockroach in it. Okay. Oh wow. It's massive.
Yeah. There's none in there. I just
Okay. So a little spare room. How many bedrooms is this?
This is shown here. 3 bedroom? Yeah.
3 bedroom.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So that was 1, that was 2.
And then this area here.
Do you like the pool? This is great for a studio, actually.
Just watch some of those.
Yeah. All right. Right, want to see the real deal? This is the real deal. It's me running around, headless chicken. My life is falling apart. This is the hotel room. It's an absolute mess because there's just no organization, because we don't have anything and we're trying to stock up on things and we keep moving. Yeah, it's a lot. So anyway, I'm going to show you the real life. We're in Beverly Hills at the AKA. It's good. It's just a hotel, and I've been in a hotel for 2 months. It's a lot. So excuse the mess. But let's crack on. At least I have a place. At least I have Tonka. And seeing that so many people love Tonka, And he's getting his own fan club. Oh, this is heavy. So I want to have a crate and a nice little bed for him. If you have a dog and you train him with a crate, they actually like it. It's like their own bedroom. Ow, ow, ow. Staples are sticking in my skin. We have the exact same crate in the file. There's nothing worse than buying something you've already bought. It just pisses you off. I'm really sad, but now I'm angry. I'm like, because this could have been prevented. I gotta say it. It could have been prevented, and it's just mismanagement. Tonka? Tonka, are you supervising me? Tonka's got his teddy bear, biscuit. Are you happy? Are you sure? Because you're going to be locked in that later.
Sitting here for Stake 48, still living in a hotel. Today's been a good day. I went down to Zell Support.
I'm down in Burbank. I'm on the valley side. I never come here. But Zell Support are giving families and houses that burned down in the fire, they're giving an opportunity to come and get furniture for their new houses because everything burned, for furniture for movie sets. They called me and told me to get in. It's actually closing next week. Today's the only day and I don't have a house. I'm still in the hotel, so I don't know where I'm going to put the furniture. But if I don't do it now, then I miss out on getting some cool furniture for the next house. I'm going to do something and make it happen. I'm supposed to have a chopstick for my hair because it's hot over here. I don't know what I'm going to do with my hair right now. All my chopsticks burned in the fire. This is my bloody life. It's chaotic. All right, I'm gonna use a pen. If I don't have a hair tie, then what I do, I'll do this, wrap it around, go grab a pen, stick it in. Usually I have a chopstick, not a pen. Okay, that's it, it's tied up. Hopefully we get something cool. My Jeep is full. I was gonna get a lug delivery service. This is a charity where all the fire victims come to choose furniture for their new house because everything burned. And this is all stuff from movies, from movie sets. Really cool stuff. I'll show you what I grabbed. Tonka's hot. It's really hot on the valley side. I mean, I love this Chinese cabinet, but it's just too big. It wasn't meant to be. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome.
You're really, really kind.
Best of luck
Thank
with
you.
everything,
Thank
okay?
you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you. You were so sweet. Okay. Thank you. Jen was awesome. Really looked after me. Kind of got a bit overwhelmed at first. She was really patient with me. It's really hard to like try to think of what you want when you've got nothing. It's really bizarre. Back from Zell Support. Look how awesome this chair is. Just me grabbing that was worth the whole trip. I didn't grab a whole van's worth of stuff because, as I say, we're in a hotel and it's not ideal and it's already upside down and we're still in bags. You just don't need the stress. Grab this. Thankfully it fit in the Jeep. I made it fit. I kicked it and squeezed it in. And then I found this awesome table as I was leaving, and it's an arrow. I'm gonna check it out and see if it's not a designer piece or something, because I'd really love to put Wonder Woman or some kind of a Rana DC comic thing there, maybe, because it's an arrow. I did arrows in Scorpion King as well.
Mongal. A peaceful warrior, but my fist with true demolition. Ambition raw combined with a future vision. I train my heart to be pure with super intuition. Come for all is no cure to heal, it's my mission. Fly like a falcon, fly across the land and hit him with the fist of the Shaolin attack like a...
But it's just very fitting and it's kind of Wonder Woman-ish. It's made me really happy. It's very bizarre, but I love it. This is so unique. It's so cool. Thank you so much, Zell Support. You guys do an awesome job. I love these pieces. It's just really cool and funky. How lucky am I?
I found some really cool pieces of furniture. I didn't want to move her and get loads of furniture because we're still in the hotel, so I just got what I could fit in the Jeep. It's quite funny. What else have we been up to, babe? Tomorrow we're going Palm Springs.
I think this was $25 on Depop. Zara. Again, Zara, because it fits me. And then my boots they were $200 and I got them down to $70. They're Sorel. Very casual, cool outfit for Steak 48. Ugh, I'm struggling. That's the honest truth. We are going to view another place. It is by the beach in Venice. I'll let you know how it goes. It's right on the beach. I think it's here and then up. Beach is there. There's the place, there's the beach. Can't get much closer than that. Well, you can, but it'll do. Front door, living room, fireplace. Little small bathroom, dining area, garage is down there, and then it's the kitchen. It's a rooftop up there. That's cool. Okay, and then this is this.
Second bedroom. Has its own bathroom. It's gonna be a nice little office or.
Yeah, oh,
guest
I love
bedroom.
this. This is great.
Yeah, it's got the high ceilings. It's modern. Oh, and you have washer dryer.
Little shower. Okay, washer dryer. Okay.
And then this little linen closet, and then this is the primary.
I love the bathroom.
It's cute, right?
Yeah. And then walk-in wardrobe.
Fridge, and then you have 2 side-by-side spots.
Fabulous. I love the ring, but the only thing I do think it takes away from the diamond, this is obviously, trial and error for me. I've never even thought about getting a ring. So it was all new things to me. I think the prongs, where they are, obviously they have to change because of the 2 lines. But I also think while we're at it, we take off the beads. Just clean on top and it's just a diamond on top.
Here in Beverly Hills, sitting with Ernie to get my ring.
Just some things like finished on it. It was my idea, I designed the ring, but I didn't realize the 2 prongs in the middle holding like a claw, like a dragon claw, holding the diamond would make 2 big stripes in this beautiful diamond. So we're readjusting the prongs, and then some of the beading around the side, we're just flattening it. I'll sit here and answer some questions. People have asked, the neighbor that told me not to pack, what happened to him? And I've answered this in the comments, but I think I'll let everyone know. When we sat and watched the fire just grow and get out of control before we exited, he came flying past us. He said he was going to stay and don't worry about it. Like 20 minutes later, when we were at the bottom of the road, seeing if our house was going to be okay or not, away from the fire, but watching it just grow out of control, he came flying past us in his truck. That kind of showed us that he was not sticking around and he should have packed. It was my fault. I shouldn't have listened to anyone, and it's not his fault. It's not my fault. You speak to anyone in the fires, and everyone thought we were going home the next day. We all just packed an overnight bag. No one knew how bad it was going to get. I mean, this is the worst fire in American history, yet no one knew it was happening at the time. So it's no one's fault, but that's what happened. He went flying past us to exit the fire after he's told me to stop packing and stay. Another question. One of the requirements that I have, my fiance, in the last house in Malibu, he has the walk-in wardrobe that was next to the bathroom because he has a 9 to 5 and he has to be very efficient getting up in the morning. I took a spare room and made it into a walk-in/wardrobe studio, and it was perfect. I filmed all my YouTubes there, did all my work there, and I had a walk-in wardrobe, and that's what we're looking for in the next house, is another studio. Oh my God, we just saw the house. Now we're gonna apply, and hopefully we get to be the tenants, but it's just perfect. It's a little pool, just gorgeous. It's red. My favorite color is red. The architect that designed the house has done a great job, and it's just stunning. We're very, very excited. Update. We're excited. We might not be homeless. Yes, it's the first house that we see that we love. Come on, please, let us get this house. Yeah. Oh yes, that was a good one. Oh yes. Oh. Are you dancing? Oh, you got the zoomies. You got the zoomies. Yes. Oh my Lord. What was that? Excuse the mess, everyone. This is what living out of bags really looks like. It really looks like this. Because we're here for 2 nights, and then we have to move. Oh, yes! Go get it! Are you dancing? Are you dancing? Alright. This is where you would run up and down the grass in the morning, but this is what he's got. He's still a happy boy. He's still a happy boy.